Hey everybody, it's Brianna here with The Peach Lifestyle, and in today's video I'm giving you another acting tip, and it's all about headshots. That is one of the first kind of items on your checklist that you need to check off as a budding actor or as a seasoned actor. Not only do you need headshots, you have to update them periodically. So, headshots. Get your headshots. That's my tip for this video, and I will talk about the do's and don'ts as a new actor as far as making sure your headshots are industry standard. So stay tuned. Okay, so headshots. When you're starting off as a new actor, you have to have two different looks. You need a commercial look, and you need a theatrical look. The commercial look, that's like the big smile, cheese. And I use my own headshots to give you a reference point. And the theatrical look is a more intense look. You're getting your smize on. Both looks require energy in your eyes. So a casting director or a decision maker, they're going to see if they can kind of feel the emotion that you're alluding to in your eyes. So practice working your eyes, not like that. Practice working your eyes in the camera and giving off a natural energy, whether it's intense or it's joyful. It needs to be authentic. Also, another do make sure you research your photographers. They need to be specifically trained in actors' headshots or have a portfolio of working with actors on their actors' headshots, because there's an industry standard with how they should look as a photographer. They're not glamour shots or senior pictures. They're very different. And if you go to a casting and they're not industry standard, you're not going to be taken seriously as a professional and as a actor. So make sure you do your research, because cheaper isn't always better. Make sure what you see in their portfolio is really what they can do. So, what to wear for your headshots. If you're taking your commercial look, it should be bright or neutral colors. Neutral meaning a gray or blue or white or yellow. Things that don't have patterns or logos. Solid. And also layers work really well on camera as well. For the theatrical look, darker, muted colors work very nice. This is also a time where you can layer as well. Remember, you don't want to have big jewelry on like I do right now with these hoops. You can wear earrings, but keep them to studs. You could wear a necklace, but keep it simple, simple, simple and small. And you can wear makeup, but also keep it simple. No extra contour and big lashes and a whole lot of eyeshadow. Just foundation, a light lip, some mascara, maybe a little blush, and you're good to go. Make sure the hairstyle that you choose is something that you can replicate for an audition. Because hypothetically, you have your hair up like I do right now in your headshots, but then you show up to the audition and your hair is very big and curly. That's a completely different look that they weren't expecting. Okay, so make sure whatever your hair, however your hair looks naturally, just look like yourself on your best day. Okay, so you want to kind of play with the angles that suit your face well. The photographer should be able to help you with that. And when you do get your headshots, take a couple full-length photos as well. Sometimes casting notices want to see full body pictures, and it's great to have professional full body pictures. So a couple of those, but as far as your headshots, you want to start off with the industry standard, that is 1 commercial and 1 theatrical. Okay, so I hope you learned a lot about headshots if you're new, or just refreshing your knowledge if you're seasoned. And be sure to tune in. I'm going to do a whole series on how to be an actor. So stay tuned, and if there's a specific topic that you want me to cover, please drop down in my comments and let me know, and I would love to share my thoughts with you and my stories. Thank you all for tuning in, and please be sure to like this video if you like it. If you don't worry about it. Or leave a comment and give me your thoughts about your headshot experiences, and maybe even tell me about some cool photographers that you've worked with in your area. And also share this video if you know of an actor who's new in the industry or just needs some information about headshots. And I will see you next week with another acting tip. Bye.